How to loop animation in Canva. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open any browser and search canva.com. Then click on Create at the top left corner of your screen, which will open this kind of page. In here on the left side, click on Uploads. Then simply click on the picture you want to add for your loop. After your picture is added, resize as you want. Then press on Animate at the top. Then on the left side, you will find different animations. Select the one you prefer. And if you click on duration, there is no one way to change duration. But if you want longer duration, what you can do is click on the plus sign, which will add a new page. After your new page is added, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, now click on duration at the bottom, then click on clock-like icon at the top. After that, you will be able to edit your time. After you have done that, what you can do is click on upload and upload the same picture and resize it. After you have done that, delete the first video and then click on animate at the top. And on the left side, select the same animation as before and you're good to go. After that, you can share and save it in your device. This is how to loop animation in Canva. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.